Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. I know I look somewhat insane, but yeah, we're going to be doing how to part your hair without heat for your passion twists, your braids, your faux locks. Today I'm doing passion twists, so I figured I'd show you how to do it without heat. And I saw a lot of videos on doing passion twists and I didn't think this method was covered properly, so I will show you how I do my hair when I don't want to add heat on it for my protective styles. So this will be my first time doing passion twists, so I'm really excited, but I am not good at parting. Note that these parts will not be perfect. I am just showing you guys my method on how I plan on achieving it, and hopefully it can help you guys out too. So first things first, I start off on freshly washed hair. This hair is bone dead dry. I washed it last night and then I slept on it dry. I added no extra product in after I had washed it. So when I washed it, I actually shampooed and conditioned and detangled in the shower, and then I followed up with deep treatment. This pumpkin mask deep treatment. It is pumpkin mint. This is by Curls Dynasty. I loved this in my hair. It kept my hair very moist even without putting product in my hair afterwards. New favorite. So everything I washed my hair with yesterday was Curls Dynasty. I'll leave a link to that video somewhere here, or it'll be up next week. Anyway, this is the deep conditioning mask. This was great for my hair because it is a strengthening mask. It is great for strengthening natural hair, relaxed hair, and transitioning damaged hair or overly porous hair types, which is what I have. My hair is hygrofatigued damaged, which pretty much means it's water damaged, and not all of it, but parts of it. That's why I try to do a strengthening treatment as often as possible, but not too often because you can get damage from over protein treating your hair. Anyway, so my hair has no product in it right now, and it's pretty stretched and it has almost no definition in it. It's very, very big and fluffy. So this is my way of getting great parts without putting heat in your hair. So for these parts, I'll be using a brush that is thin bristled. You can choose to have it with or without the little balls on the end. If you have one that doesn't have the little balls on the end of the brush, that's better because they're not very good for your hair in my opinion. But I do like this brush. I use this one in the shower to detangle my hair. So that's how I got my hair pretty detangled. In the shower, I use this along with my cosmology brush to detangle. So first I use this to detangle my entire head or sections, and then I use this to smooth the sections down to make them as detangled and as smooth as possible, so it'll be easier for me to detangle today. You'll need some clips to section off your hair with and some hair ties if that's what you prefer, along with a protein treatment of your choice. It doesn't have to be a super strong, a strong one. This one isn't super strong, like an Afro Hygie. Those are super strong, but like a mild protein treatment like this one, or the Male Organics Fat Boost and Mint Deep Conditioner will also work. You'll need some type of control paste. I'm using Texture by Cantu. Oil for your roots. I'm using Curls Dynasty. I really like this oil. It's very nice. I've tried it before. A detangling brush and a smoothing brush. A rat tail comb to make the parts, along with a edge brush. I forgot what this is called. I'm gonna call it an edge brush, and some little black elastic bands, mini rubber bands. There is a little bit of definition deeper inside of it, so we're gonna get rid of that now. So first things first, we're just gonna make your hair smooth. We're gonna make it all around smooth, no definition, all around. Go. So to stretch my hair, I will be using the Kalahara Smoothie Leave-In. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing this properly, but I'm going to be using this to detangle my hair and make it smooth. And for extra moisture, I'll be using this Icing on a Curl. It's a whipped moisture butter. So you're going to notice that I'm going to be using lots of Curls Dynasty in this video. My plan was to do their own dedicated video, honestly, as a review, because I haven't recorded my opinions on them yet. But I had to use passion twists for my trip to Canada, so I was like, let me just use them, see how it works out for my hair. I'm gonna take the leave-in. Smells so good. Try to get some stuff in my hair. I'm not putting a lot of this in my hair, honestly. I mostly want to add in the moisture butter because Canada is cold and I'm going from the Miami humidity to the freezing Canada weather. I am like a naturally warm-blooded human being. Even in Florida I get cold, so this is gonna be an interesting trip. I'm very excited though because it is my anniversary and my husband is also not into the cold. So this is gonna be fun. We're both gonna get to experience cold together. So it already has the leave-in in it. I'm just gonna try to detangle with my cosmology brush. So this is a very thick butter. Like look how I'm pushing my finger really hard in it to make that little dent that's now in there. It smells like shea butter, which is pretty darn good, and it's very thick. Ooh, but it melted down well, so now it's like already melted down into my hands. This is actually gonna be perfect. The last thing I want is for my hair to dry out in these passion twists, that's for sure. To save yourself some time, you totally could have like used your leave-in after you washed your hair and just put it up into some like chunk twists and then just sleep on that and then just undo it in the morning to make sure your hair is stretched. But we didn't have any filming space last night, so this morning, here we go. And it doesn't have to be perfectly detangled. Like this right now is actually perfect for what I plan on doing. So done with the cosmology brush, and I'm going in with my smoothening brush. Most of it's pretty much detangled now. It's pretty detangled right now, but I'm just gonna make sure that my entire hair is smooth. That way parting would be easier. And look, it has the appearance of being blown out, even though technically it's not blown out. No heat is better for my hair. Okay, perfect, one section done. Look at my little fluff. Fluffy. Okay, now I'm gonna do the back side. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like, fully detangled and dry. It's looking pretty good. So now we're gonna start parting. I'll be taking the rat tail comb and a hair tie, and I will literally be starting from ear to ear. So once I was done with that first part, I proceeded to split that section in half once more down the center, and then I took a small chunk piece, the size that I wanted the passion twist to be, and I just took some more icing on a curl and brushed that little piece out, and then proceeded to add the control paste to the edges, and then I used a little tiny elastic band to wrap around it about 5 to 7 times. And I pretty much did that all throughout my head. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I did all of the parting. I have a bunch of chunks all over my head. So I did find it easier to use the Cocoa Creme by Carol's Daughter to detangle my hair into the parts. This is also the product I plan to twist my hair with, so I'm super excited. This pretty much took me all day though to part it and to detangle it. It took me a long time. I don't know if it's just because I'm not good at parting my hair or I was all the weird angles, but finally done. Thank you, Jesus. So if you're interested in how I do my passion twist, check out my next video right here. If this video brought you any value at all, please be sure to subscribe. I know a lot of us don't want to blow dry our hair just so we can do passion twist. I definitely thought this was a better alternative. especially to blow drying my hair. We'll be doing this next time again. Maybe I'll have someone else do it for me, honestly, though, like my mom. Anyway, I hope this brought you guys value. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye!